I've been using the PRx Spotter Arms for just over a month, and in this video, I'm gonna give you a full review. Hey, my name's Mike Behrens. I've been an independent professional wrestler for over 20 years, and I've had a home gym for well over 10 years. But today I'm at my parents' home gym to talk about the Spotter Arms from PRx. So with the Spotter Arms, it was really important to me that I had safety built in for my parents when they're working out, because I'm not gonna be here. I live about an hour away. And so my dad at 70 years old has worked construction his whole life and has a bad shoulder. If you've ever carried a bundle of shingles, he did that for 40 years. And so he has a bad shoulder. And so if he's bench pressing, I wanted to make sure that he had the Spotter Arms. And so we got those, and I am super blown away by how solidly built they are. They're so heavy duty. I know that nothing's gonna happen if he puts some weight on the bar. It's not gonna break. They're gonna keep him safe. And with so many holes on the uprights for the squat rack, there's lots of different options so we can get just the right height to keep my dad safe. I also showed him how he can use the Spotter Arms as a way to rack the bar in different ways so he can do different movements. So it creates a very versatile piece of equipment, not just Spotter Arms, but can also be a great way to rack the bar.
So let's talk about a couple details of the Spotter Arms. They're for the 3x3 racks. They have a 5/8 pin and they're sold in pairs at $224. PRx offers some financing options to make it more affordable. Quick overview, the Spotter Arms fit the 3x3 Profile Pro rack. They're sold in pairs and are lined with a UHMW wear strip to protect the knurling on your bar so you won't mess up your bar when you're using these or if you drop the weight. They're perfect for working out alone and keeping yourself safe. You don't have to worry about dropping the weight on yourself when you're going for a big lift, and PRx has some great storage hardware to keep them stored away nice and neat. As for the specifications, they come in a black powder coat. They're steel with a UHMW protective wear strips. They're 16 pounds each, so 32 pounds in total for the pair. The arm dimensions are 20 inches long by 3 inches wide by 3 inches high. The total dimensions are 24 inches long by 3.25 inches wide and 13 inches high. The pin size is a 5/8 inch pin, and the capacity on them is 1,000 pounds.
Definitely recommend the Spotter Arms. Okay, so that's it for the PRx Spotter Arms. Definitely a great addition to your home gym. If you want to add them to yours, check my affiliate link in the description, and stay tuned to the channel for more reviews on other PRx equipment and tips on how you can perform better, recover faster, and live healthier. I'll see you in the next video.